I guess I really don't know what Christmas is all about.
Hi loves, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm so excited because this is gonna be a makeup tutorial, like easy holiday makeup tutorial that you guys request. So anyways, if you want to see how I achieve this look, then keep on watching. Alright guys, so as you guys can see, I already started with my right eye. So it's gonna be just easier, and this look is very easy and not too hard. And because I haven't done like a sit down makeup, I haven't done like a makeup video or like a tutorial, and mind you, I am not pro in makeup, so please don't come at me. So alright, let's start with eyeshadow. I'm gonna just use this Too Faced concealer, the Born This Way concealer. Every makeup that I will be using today will be in the description box if you guys are interested. So I'm just gonna put some concealer and I'm gonna try to clean it out, curve it a little bit. You see me? Alright. I'm looking here because I have my MacBook finder so I can see my face if I'm focused or not, and I also have mirror here. So I'm just gonna clean this up. And you guys, you don't have to use whatever I use in this video. You can just use whatever you have. You don't really have to buy what I'm using because that's just not practical. So if you already have concealer or any foundation that you've been loving, so just use that. Alright, I gotta switch up to this side so it's much better and focus. Anyway, this palette I will be using the Anastasia palette. This is the Soft Glam palette. So I'll be using just 3 colors for this palette, which is the shade Orange, Soda, Burnt Orange, and also Sienna. So I'll be using the 3 colors. And okay, so first color is I will take the shade Orange Soda, which is this shade right there. I'll take that and just kind of put her, kind of like dab her all over my crease. Dab, what is the word dab? I don't even know what I'm talking right now, but yeah, just put Orange Soda. And I have the Alamar brush. I got this a long time ago. I think it came with the BoxyCharm when I was subscribed with the BoxyCharm subscription box. But putting this all over my crease.
Although it's been said.
So now I'm gonna mix Burnt Orange and Orange Soda together and still put them in like in the outer part. Okay, before I even continue, I'm gonna put this e.l.f. It's like a tape, so I have that really nice cut. Forgot to put this. You don't really have to do this, you guys, if you're like a pro, but I do this so I can achieve that nice cut look. Right about, I would say, hold on. And before I even use like a scotch tape, so I'm just gonna put the tape right there. Yeah, my face is very red. I have no idea what's going on there, but so next one will be the shade Sienna. I'm gonna put Sienna right about here to kind of like darken up a little bit. And I'm using, I think this is the e.l.f. blending eye brush. e.l.f. has a very cheap brushes, you guys, if you guys are like beginners into makeup. Going back with this Alamar brush, I will be taking Burnt Orange, Orange Soda again and blend it with the Sienna together. Kind of zoom you guys in. So anyways, that's literally it. So I'm gonna take the Mario, this is Makeup by Mario brown eyeliner, and I'll just put this eyeliner.
Isn't there anyone who knows what Christmas is all about?
So I'm just gonna brush it out and create like a wing. Since I have hooded eyelids, it's kind of like really hard for me to do that like cut crease, because like I said, you guys, I am not pro on makeup. So for the face, I did spray this Milk Hydro Grip spray, since my face today is very dry due to cold weather. It happens every time winter. My face comes from oily skin to very dry skin. And I also put this Verse moisturizing gel cream. Can you guys see? I don't know how to do this anymore. Right there you go. So I mix this up, and then after that I'm gonna let it sit for 1 more minute. All right, so for primer today, I'll be using the Milk Hydro Grip primer, and I'll just put this primer. I freaking love this primer, you guys. Love it. And use the e.l.f. stripling brush. Alright, before we start with the foundation, I'm gonna be using this NARS Pot Concealer in the shade Medium 2 Ginger, and just cover up my my pimples right here. And if you don't have any pimples, you guys, you really don't have to do this step. I'm just doing this because I have pimples, and yeah, you can skip this part. I'm just gonna cover this up. Alright, so for foundation, I'll be mixing this too. This is both hydrating, and I need hydration because I'm dying with this dry skin. So I'll be using the NARS Natural Radiant Foundation. I'm in the shade Punjab, and the Fenty, of course, in the shade 280. So both, like I said, both of these are hydrating. And before that, I'm just gonna put NARS like that, and also mix it with the Fenty. And I'll try to put Fenty in my forehead because the Fenty one is more a little bit dark. And anyways, just gonna put that all over. I know that's a lot of pump, but just trust the process. So I'm gonna spray this again with the Hydro Grip spray. And then just blend it together.
So I'm offering a simple phrase. Although it's been said many times, many ways, Merry Christmas.
Of course, don't forget your neck. Right there. Look at that shade match. So I'm just gonna blend this together. I know I look crazy right now, but like I said, trust the process. I'm gonna apply this concealer. This is the Radiant Creamy Concealer from NARS as well, in the shade Custard, Medium 1 Custard. And just put concealer here under my eyes. I love and I prefer light concealer when applying to under my eye. I kind of want like bright under eye, so I use this light concealer. Alright, so now we're gonna bring back some color into my face. I'll be using this cream bronzer from Fenty Beauty in the shade number 3 Macchiato, and I'll apply this with my brush. This is the Real Techniques brush, and I'll just put some color back in my forehead, and I'll blend it with sponge later. So I'll apply it with the brush, which is this is the sculpting brush, good for cream bronzer.
Isn't there anyone who knows what Christmas is all about? I can tell you what Christmas
Alright, for powder, I'll be using the translucent powder from Fenty Beauty in the shade Butter. So I'm just gonna put this powder in my eye.
So I'm offering this sample frame. Although it's been said many times, many ways, Merry Christmas to
For the bronzer, I'll be using my all-time favorite as well from Fenty, which is the shade Island Thing. So I'm just gonna put some bronzer to bring back some colors in our forehead.
chestnut roasting, Jack Frost nipping at your nose. So I'm offering this sample frame.
So I'm also gonna put this powder to kind of clean the bronzer. Alright, I'm gonna let that powder sit for a couple more minutes. And for the blush, I'll be using this Milani blush. This is the Baked Powder Blush in the shade number 5 Luminoso. Put this blush upwards. See, it's giving me that like nice glow from within. That's why a lot of people love this blush. And I'm kind of late about buying this, but oh well. Look how pretty. Anastasia. This is in the collaboration with Amrezy. And oh my goodness. Look at that highlighter.
I guess I really don't know what Christmas
Oof.
is all
So this, I will be using this and with my fan brush from, I think, Ann Klutz brush. And I'll just put that.
Isn't there anyone who knows what Christmas is all
Oh,
about?
look at that glow. Wow. Also in my nose.
I can tell you what Christmas is all about.
Chestnut
I mixed the orange soda and the burnt orange and just put this under my
Frost nipping
eye.
at your nose. So I'm offering this sample frame.
Of course, to finish up this holiday makeup look, I'll be using the Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink. This is in the shade 118. She is very, very red. I was gonna use the, I don't know, 117 Groundbreaker, but I feel like this one will stand out, but it's up to you. I feel like red lipstick is really nice when it comes to like very holiday makeup look. Since this is very mattifying, I suggest if you have dry lips as well, just put some lip balm first, and I think that would be good. And I'll put this lipstick on this.
Been said many times, many ways.
Are you seeing that? Oh my goodness.
I can tell you what Christmas is all
How
about.
are we feeling with this red lipstick? I freaking love it. I love it. So for setting spray, I'll be using the Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray from Charlotte Tilbury and just spray this all over.
I guess I really don't know what Christmas is all about.
Yes, I'm crazy like that. I spray so much setting spray and voila, you guys. How are we feeling with this makeup look? Alright you guys, I hope you like this makeup tutorial as much as I did. With the help of this like really dramatic eyelashes, it came out really good, and also with the red bold lipstick. I'm looking at the finder, it's actually pretty pretty cute, and I think I'm just gonna recreate this as well on the Christmas day, and especially with the red bold lipstick. It's very festive, and of course with the highlighter. So yeah, if you like this tutorial, let me know in the comment section down below, and also comment down in the section below if what makeup tutorial you guys want, because I'm gonna try to do more makeup videos for you guys, because I kind of miss this sit down makeup tutorial. And I think I will probably be filming like my everyday makeup look, like very natural, but this one is more of like really dramatic and festive, because since it's the holidays and Christmas is literally a couple days. So anyways, like this video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye.
Chestnut roasting, Jack Frost.